Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Jossie, aka J Renee, back at it again with another video. So today we will be upcycling these. I got the jacket from the thrift store for like $6 and the Adidas sweatpants for about $9. So we're gonna see what we can do with this. My initial idea was like a cool sweat jacket that I could wear around the house, probably take it in a little bit. We'll see how this goes. So if you're ready for it, stay tuned. But before we do that, make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up just so you can make my day and I'll feel so much better. Let's get into the video. Hey y'all, so of course you need your Adidas sweatpants and your jacket. So first what you're gonna do is cut off the stripes of your Adidas pants, both sides of course, and then save the rest of the pants for later. Maybe we'll do something and make them into regular sweatpants. And now that we have both of them, lay out your jacket flat, cut a straight line across the arm length of the jacket, and then place your stripes wrong sides facing on one side. So turn this inside out. And pin along that edge all the way down. And then flip it over. So then the inside will be right side to right side. And pin the top just like we just did. And if you are confused about that, try to turn it right side out and see if the stripes are facing you. And yes, this is me rethinking my life decisions because I'm not sure how this square top is going to fit in with the line that I just cut. So what I did was I cut like a square shaped out of the top of the shoulder and then placed it in there easily. And then pinned the rest down and all was Gucci. Now take that to the sewing machine and sew in a straight line down the arm, and you're golden. So now cut off the excess from the inside of the jacket, and it's time to make sure your jacket fits you. This was like an extra large jacket. So, of course, I had to bring in my own size jacket. I know I'm kind of small, just to make sure that it fit. But we have to turn it inside out. So, here it is. And now all we have to do is trace out your jacket so we know that it'll fit you. And for the arms, I realized that I was just going to keep it cool, casual jacket. And I didn't want the arms too thin. So, I added about an inch for the arm from what my original jacket was, and use my ruler to make a line all the way down. Do that on both sides and sew exactly where you put the lines. You can pin it down if you need to. I needed to, just so the lines wouldn't shift out of place. Now go sew that bad boy down and come back. Now that it's all sewn down, just cut it out, making sure you don't cut the seam that you have just sewn. Do that on both sides, of course, because everything has to be even and symmetrical. Not always, but this time.
a shifty, send shots, but he missed me. I'm ready like SpongeBob. Spreading love is my one job. Live life slow like a dumb broad. I'm raw like the sun god. I'm not with them.
And here is the fun part. Cut out that cool Adidas logo to make sure everybody knows that you're wearing Adidas. LOL. Cut that out, and then we're going to embroider it on to the front of the jacket. So what I did is I had to change out the bed of the sewing machine. So this sewing machine came with a bunch of different stuff, and this is the one for embroidery. So I chose an embroidery pattern and switched out my foot and my thread. I didn't show you guys how I put the jacket into the embroidery hoop, but you just place it between the two, the top and the bottom, and then like squeeze and then like tighten it, and that's pretty much it. I also added pins just to hold down the actual logo so it wouldn't move around while it's embroidering. So after that, you just let the machine do what it do. This really didn't take long at all. For something this small, it took about 2 minutes. And you just watch it. You just like, it's kind of soothing to watch. I don't know, maybe that's just me. But it came out really nice. I didn't want to do like a regular circle. I don't know. I just had to put my personal touch on it. Because why not? And so that's a different view. See, it looks kind of cool. And so you can see where it's going and how long it's going to take and all that. This machine is just amazing. I love it so much. Yeah, we can cut all those hanging threads off later. Once that's over, you take it out of the machine and loosen the embroidery hoop. And here is your logo. And you are all finished with this. See how easy that was? Like, hey, let me model for Adidas. I look good, okay? You got the stripes on the shoulders and the Adidas logo, and you're golden, really. This was like really easy, really perfect. And you can even, depending on which jacket you have, you probably switch out the strings. And yes, Adidas needs to sponsor me. Look at this. I look good. I made them look good. And that is all for this video, really. Thank you for watching. This video was very overdue, and I have so many more. But thank y'all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Subscribe. Ha! Bye.